Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we are going to unbox the Sony a6400 mirrorless camera. So let's start the video. So before I begin, I should tell you that this is the one which contains only the body of a6400. I got the kit lens separately because the shop didn't had the one which had both the lens and the body itself. So anyways, this particular box will have the body only. Anyways, here on the top you have this saying best product 2019-20 camera anything. It's a reward type. Here on the front you have the same thing with the flip out screen of the a6400. On the side you have some of its I would say its serial number, etc. Here on the back you have some of its specification. I will show you it once I open it because of the wrapping. And here on the back some other things as well. And here on the bottom you will have your warranty card in order to claim your warranty. So first of all, let me just remove this seal so that we can see the specs more clearly. And here is the box. So now we can see the specs quite clearly. So it has an APS-C size 24.2 megapixel sensor. Its ISO is range between 133-32,000. It can record up to 11 frames per second for the burst shot, and its phase detection are 425 autofocus points. So its autofocus is very good. That's why I bought this particular one. And it has real-time eye focus, real-time tracking, silent shooting, and touch focus shutter. It supports 4K HDR, or you can say 4K video up to 30 fps and slow motion 1080p video at up to 120 frames per second. So nothing more, let's just open it. Here we go. We're going to open the box and let's see what's inside. So first of all, you're going to get your manual, and it's in some other language. So if you really want to read the manual, you can get it online, but I would like to watch YouTube videos instead because they are quite helpful and faster. So first of all, we are going to get our strap with the Alpha and Sony branding on it. Here you go. So putting that aside, here we have our power cable. So this will go to our wall mount and the other side should go to our charger. And here we have another cable. So let me just open it. So one side is your usual USB port, whereas on the other side you have your micro USB port. So this will be used to transfer data from your camera to your laptop, etc. Unfortunately this phone is currently not able to focus on it, but anyways, in the future video we're not going to have that problem. Here we have our batteries. So this battery is the one which you have in all of the Sony's a6000 or a6000 series, a6100, 6300, etc. And here we have our eyepiece as well. And last but not least, our charger. Here you can see one side to our USB, one side to the charger. So we are going to power the battery directly, connecting it to the camera's body to charge it. And here we have the camera itself, and other than that the box is empty. So here is the camera body. As you can see, Sony, as I told you, this particular box has only the body. I have got the lens separately. Here on the top, Alpha 6400, the 4K branding, your horseshoe mount, and we got our different dials, on off switch, and some other things as well, the record button, the screen, and some other functions. So the screen is the main thing. If you pull it out, then flip it, so here you go. So now you're going to have a flip out screen. So So let me just insert the lens as well. So here I have the, you can say, the kit lens. So let me just install this one on it. So the process is quite simple. You have a white dot here and you need to align the white dot on your lens and you're good to go. And it's done, it's quite locked. And here we have it. Here you can see the lens as well. So let me just insert the card as well. So in order to insert the card and battery, you have this port on the bottom. Here we go. So the SD card will be inserted here and the battery over here. So let me just insert the SD card first. Now for the battery, it's in. We're going to close it, lock it. So let me just remove it and let me just power on. So it looks like the battery is quite dead, so let me just charge it first. So I have charged the camera, not too much, just to show you it. So here I'm going to on it. I'm just going to remove the lens cap and here you can see its result. Now if I turn to the tiltable screen, that's the main thing that why I bought it, because you know, when I'm making video like here, I can see directly on the camera and I don't have to worry about, because the other Sony a6000 series cameras don't have the tiltable screen. Only this version has, and it's good for its price, so that's why I bought this one. And also it can record 4K at 30 fps. So in the future videos you're going to see much better result on my YouTube videos. Anyways, this was just a quick unboxing of the Sony a6400, and that's all. Other than that, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any questions regarding this camera, write them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.